When visiting a new city, I love to stay close to everything. And that's exactly what this place is about. It's close enough for a short walk to all the attractions, but far enough away to be able to get some peace and quiet. Check it out. Inside the building, it's incredibly quiet, even though it sits near the tram line and right on the popular strip. So, you're never too far from coffee. As a bonus, there's lots of bookstores in the area too. Books, coffee, works for me.
So here we are. Here is a bathroom.
Bathroom. A perfect place to contemplate my next video.
So, the lights, and here is a kitchen. You have fridge here.
Alright, cool. Everything is nicely there, and the kitchen's been handed to me more than once.
Wardrobe also it's here, so you can leave your stuff as well.
Mind if I do it right now?
Of course.
It's kind of nice and toasty in here.
So everything you need, it's a short walk from here.
Right.
Really, you are in the center.
In the center.
Yeah. Here on the left side, it's a main square, Ban Jelacic.
Also, right next to the main square is the farmers market, along with tons of places offering food to go.
And also, if you like to have breakfast in the morning, there is also few places very nice to have it.
If I want to have breakfast. Breakfast for me is a must. And luckily there are some really neat breakfast places nearby.
So on the other side, it's Flower Square. It's a second famous square in Zagreb. So you can.
The one over there, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Well, I like the view.
If you have any question, I'm 24/7 reachable on my cell phone, so you can phone anytime.
24/7. Are you sure about that?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I hope I won't need anything. In fact, I didn't. Every detail you might need is there. The materials are really nice to touch, and I love the neutral color palette. But my favorite is the bed.